Are those quick-footed clog dancing figures really a key part of a billion-dollar marketing strategy? Let's dive into the world of the Geico Cloggers and explore their surprising impact on the insurance giant's brand. Geico uses the cloggers in its advertisements, but they aren't just there for fun. First, who exactly are they and what is their purpose? The Geico Cloggers are actors and dancers. Their primary function is direct-to-camera communication, often delivering short, memorable messages. They are instantly recognizable, acting as an extension of the company's brand. Moving on to impact, the cloggers strongly influence Geico's marketing by making it memorable. Their unique blend of humor, quick interactions, and repetitive phrases sticks in the audience's mind, making Geico's ads very shareable. They also aid in branding, making their products easily identifiable. Lastly, the cloggers heavily impact how customers view the brand through its customer engagement, which involves the advertising campaigns. Their friendly and enthusiastic energy makes the brand feel approachable. These campaigns increase brand recognition and create associations with efficiency and humor. Consider this: the Geico Cloggers are a significant element for marketing success. Those tapping toes are carefully designed to help Geico cement its place in the competitive world of insurance.